Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the super simple and easy rainbow painting project, and this is the ornament that I actually created for my daughter. She was obsessed with rainbow, and I hope that you love it too. So for now, let's get started. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to see many more beautiful painting projects. And if you're interested in the supplies and material that I used in the video, please check out the DIY kits that I put together in my Etsy shop. You can find my Etsy shop link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support, and I see you next video.